Welcome to a demonstration of Laie UiBot. Laie UiBot is an RPA plus AI product developed by Laie, consisting of a suite of development, runtime, management, and AI tools, known as Creator, Worker, Commander, and Mage. Today, we'll be showing off how UiBot can save your company valuable time and money. A common task for many companies' IT department is to monitor company websites to ensure that they're available and responsive at all times. Manually doing so for possibly hundreds of subpages on a regular basis can easily become a costly chore. But it is a task that must be done to maintain the quality of service. Today, we'll be using Laie UiBot to automate this process. We'll instruct Laie UiBot to use Google Lighthouse, a website audit tool that can measure a given website's response time, among a wide range of other metrics, to run regular diagnostics on a list of websites. It will generate a report, and if any of the tested websites fail or take too long to respond, we'll email our maintenance team about the incident. By using Laie UiBot Commander to schedule the routine diagnostic to run every few hours, we can quickly catch any website downtime and resolve the underlying issues before it affects our users' experiences. Before running the tests themselves, Laie UiBot loads a custom configuration file that specifies the links of the websites that will be tested, the maximum tolerated response time, the maintenance team's emails, and other parameters that can be adjusted by human operators to customize the process behavior. Now, Laie UiBot opens Google Chrome, goes to Google Lighthouse homepage, and enters the first link we need to test. After hitting enter, it patiently waits for the test to complete. As you can see, Lighthouse report page provides a large variety of website health metrics. Laie UiBot parses and stores this information, which includes a response time from the web page. Then it goes on to test the next web page. Here, a web page fails to respond. Laie UiBot takes note of this error and will send a report after testing the remaining pages. Another web page we tested earlier did respond, but it took longer than the maximum tolerated response time, so it will be reported as well. Now that all the web pages have been tested, Laie UiBot is logging the results as an Excel file. Since at least one of the web pages failed to respond or took too long, Laie UiBot is also sending an email to the maintenance team to report the failed web pages. As we can see here, the email lists the web pages that have failed our test and has the log file as an attachment to allow the maintenance team to inspect the details. To recap, we use Laie UiBot to create a process that can automatically test a list of web pages on Google Lighthouse, parse the results, and send a warning email if any of the web pages failed the test. We can run this process regularly to monitor our company's websites and ensure that they're always available and responsive.